Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you reduce pixel size of photo on iPhone. So guys, to reduce pixel size of photo, just go to photos and select the photo. Just select a photo and after that click the top right this edit option, and after edit in the bottom right side here you can see crop. Click on crop. Now you can crop by your hand like this. Crop as you like. You can crop vertically, horizontally, or you can crop by sizing by clicking this icon in the top right, and you can just crop like this. You can do this ratio type. And after that click the top right done, and by doing this you can just reduce pixel size of photo on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.